She'd be sitting in this blue rubber chair, not talking, and we'd just hold hands for 30 to 40 minutes and then I'd leave. And in those silent moments, she spoke more eloquently to me than perhaps we ever had time to do when we were living in that little suburban home in Doncaster. This is for Paula. It's called Classrooms and Kitchens. Classrooms and kitchens, small country houses, blue hills on the radio. She stoked the fire, she went and she sowed. The river broke and it flooded down the road. Cattle in the garden, snakes in the grass, fog in the morning, rising at last over the dust, never settling. Willows weep and the windows rattle, but she sits by the window in a blue rubber chair. They've wiped her lips and they've tied back hair. Come on, lay down, lay down, lay down your long goodbye. Lay down, lay down, lay down your long goodbye. Here comes the thunder, here comes the rain. Danny boy's calling her, she's singing again. Oh, gray eyes keep going, they're whipping through the pain. Oh, petticoats showing, but her hands start shaking when the old man comes around. But then outside they're soaking up the ground. Come on, lay down, lay down, lay down your long goodbye. She's leaving, she's leaving. It's too late to wonder why. She's searching for traces, she blinks in the light. She sees it in their faces in the dead of the night when they crawl into her bed. But she can't remember what her children once said, singing Hail Mary all over again. She's counting